No, poke more. I think you should poke more.
So many incredible looks in this movie.
Coming to America won 3 out of 3 of its categories. But it was pretty to look at all of the prosthetics that they did, the hairstyles. I think that was the biggest component of the movie.
I think this movie is a really phenomenal prosthetics showcase.
You have a complete transformation where you can't see the actor underneath it. Like, to think that that's Arsenio Hall in most of those roles is unbelievable.
Makeup. That's one of the reasons I didn't want to do a sequel.
Showing natural hair in this movie was something that was really important to the hair team. It's important to think about like this movie and the original Coming to America, like the importance that these characters and the story has for the Black community.
Who should win in this category? And the best work is rarely honored here.